Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the countries now. Here we display all the countries we have. We can create new country. Now in this video we want to edit and delete a country. So if I click edit, we navigate to the countries, the ID of the country and edit. So if I open the VS Code and here in the country controller we have I need to remove this one. We have the edit and here we expect the ID here, which we have here 1. So now I want to do is use route model binding with Laravel 8. We can say country $country and here just return the view countries edit and we pass the compact country. Okay, like this. Hit save and refresh. So if I go now where we have the countries edit blade, we don't have anything here. Go to the categories edit blade, select all, copy or not. Sorry, the countries create, select all, copy and paste in the edit. Paste it here. Just we need to change something. So here edit country, update country here and go back, countries index, that's okay. Remove the placeholder and add the value is going to be the country name and we have the country here because we passed it here. Okay, we expect the ID and we use route model binding. Behind the scenes is going to say country find and the ID, but is very useful if we use like this. Okay, so we added the country name and here add the country code, so value country and country code and change this to be update. And also we need to add the update method here, update method post, and also override the method to be put. Hit save and come here where we have the update. And here also I'm going to use route model binding, so country $country and I'm going to use the same thing we use in the store, so store country request, store country request, and here the country, update and the request validated. Okay, and copy this one and paste it here. Message country updated. Okay, hit save, come here and refresh, and missing, yeah, sorry friends, in the edit blade, in the action, we add the update route and we need to add the country ID. Hit save, and the error is very useful here, so it said missing required parameter for route countries update. Okay, now we have the country name and country code here. So if I remove the just leave the United States and hit update, go back, we have only the United States, change again to be United States of America, update, and yeah, we have again, and we have the country updated message here. Now the next thing is to delete, and if I come here, also the same thing. I'm going to use the route model binding country $country, and here country delete, and country deleted. We return redirect to the route country index, refresh, delete this one, and country deleted. You see here, delete the next one, and now we don't have anyone. Hope you enjoy, friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.